Okay, continuing on the angle series, we are now looking at angles called vertical angles. So I'm going to show you an example of what vertical angles are. So we have the following diagram in front of us. Let's take a look at angles 1 and 2. Vertical angles are angles that are opposite each other. The name vertical is kind of a little misleading because students think vertical up and down, but the key word is actually opposite. So angles 1 and angle 2, sorry, it's kind of messy. Angle 1 and angle 2 are opposite each other. And this means they are equal to each other. So vertical angles that are opposite to each other, angles that are opposite to each other are equal to each other. Okay, so say angle 1 measures 110 degrees. That means angle 2 measures 110 degrees. Now I want you to take a look at this. If I want to find angle 3 and angle 4, angle 3 and angle 4 are also vertical to each other. I just want to have you take a quick look at this here. Okay, we know that angles 2 and 4 are vertical to each other, but what if I cover 2 angles? Okay, what we have left is a straight line right here. How many degrees is a straight line? And I hope at this point you're saying 180 degrees. So if I take a straight line that's 180 and I cut it, doesn't that mean that angle 1 and angle 3 are supplementary to each other, meaning they add to 180? So angle 1 and angle 3 are supplements of each other. That means if I take angle 1 plus angle 3, they should equal 180 degrees. So I can find angle 3 by taking 180 minus 110 to get 70 degrees. So angle 3 is 70 degrees, which means if angles 3 and 4 are vertical, that angle 4 is also 70 degrees. Okay, let's try a few more on the next page. Okay, I know, taking a look here, that angle 1 is 120 degrees, so I'm going to write that. And I know angle 4 is 60 degrees. Okay, angle 1 and 4 are supplements of each other. Okay, so vertical to angle 1 is angle 3, so that means angle 3 is 120 degrees. And vertical to angle 4 is angle 2, which is 60 degrees. Okay. All right, taking a look at example 2, I know angle 1 is 73 degrees. 1 is vertical to 3, so that means angle 3 is 73 degrees. Okay, and I know angle 4 is 107 degrees, which means angle 2 is vertical and is 107 degrees as well. Okay, example 3, I know angle 2 is 51 degrees. Vertical to 2 is 4, so I know 4 is 51 degrees. Okay. I know angle 3 is 129 degrees. So I know vertical to 3 is angle 1, which is also 129 degrees. Okay, and lastly, I know angle 2 is 87 degrees. Vertical to 2, directly opposite, is angle 4, which is also 87 degrees. And then I have angle 3, that's 93 degrees, and directly opposite angle 3 is angle 1 at 93 degrees. Okay, so if you need to rewind, go back, watch this video, make sure you take some notes. Thanks for your time. I'll see you guys later.